Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to bring a quick news regarding about Lucid, adapting to the Tesla's supercharger. So as you know, like the CEO of Lucid used to work for Tesla, and after he left Tesla he created his own company, which is Lucid, and this company is right now is pretty much backed by Saudi Arabia. But this is one of the high-end vehicles that we can see out there. I think so far I've seen maybe only two vehicles in California, okay, and they have decided to adapt Tesla supercharger. So as the consumer for Lucid customers, they're gonna love this because they have access to Tesla superchargers, okay, which is great news for them. And so far we know that there's a lot of companies out there that already sign up or team up with Tesla to use their supercharger, and I think Lucid is just one of the few left. And as you can see right here, like the connector, this is just to see the size comparisons. This one is huge, but look at Tesla how small it is, and this one humongous, like maybe twice or even triple the size of it. So yeah, again, I think beginning in 2025, that's going to be shipping with all of the Lucid vehicle with Tesla's charging. And in the meantime, any vehicle that they produce, they're going to have to use the adapter. But yeah, that's great news for a Lucid owner. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this news, guys. If you like Tesla news, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Tesla news. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.